In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you on how to delete messages from both sides on Instagram. So guys, let's simply dive right into the video. So right here is the home page of my Instagram app. Now the top right corner, you can see the message icon. You need to go ahead and click on the message icon just like this. When you do that, you're going to see the people you've been chatting with on Instagram. You can go to any of the chats. Now there are actually several ways you can actually get this done. So in order for you to actually delete these messages from both sides, first you can actually tap on the message you want to delete. Now at the bottom of the screen, you can see where it says unsend. So you need to go ahead and click on unsend. Now if you click on that and click on unsend, this message is going to be deleted from your own end and also from the other person's end. So that is the one way you can actually delete messages from both sides. The second way you can actually get this done is by scrolling up. You can see that now once you swap up just like this, looking at it says not all message needs to stick around. Wipe up for disappearing message. You will get screenshot notification. So you need to click on OK. So whatsoever message you are typing on, as long as you've actually done this, those messages can actually disappear within 24 hours. So this is another way you can actually delete messages from both sides. If the disappearing message is turned on, just as shown here, then any message that actually deleted from your own end is actually going to be deleted from that person's own device as well. Otherwise guys, you've come to the very end of this video. I hope you've hit the like button. Hit the like button guys, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload more helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one.